modifying this. You know that doesn't make a difference.
What's your middle name?
Guess.
$50 if you could kickflip first try.
All right, guys, we are very excited to be here today with the world's most famous TikToker, Luke.
Oh.
That's right, people. He's the most famous TikToker in the world. You can check him out on TikTok. Wait, how much? 15 million views on one video. No big deal. But hey, who's counting really? So today, guys, we are making the skateboard, which is already made, clearly, because it's right here. Thank you, Mogely. Let's give Mogely a hand.
Well, I gotta actually thank you because I'm just taking your idea, but with tiny
Thanks,
trucks.
Mogely. So what we're doing, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Go ahead. I'm just kidding, Mogely. I love you.
$50 if you could kickflip first try.
Really?
Yeah.
Shake on it.
I would, but we're in some interesting times right now.
You're right. Here's what this is. It's called, we're not quite sure what it's called, but I think the thing here is the world's most skateboard trucks on one skateboard. They even had to double them up. I don't know why he didn't get the nose and tail, but hey, you know, that's okay.
I told him.
Mowgli's learning. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and I just realized they're all color coordinated until right there. What happened?
There wasn't enough.
But you had one pink one and one black one? What happened to the other pink one?
There wasn't another pink one.
Weird science. Okay, so what did he say? Kickflip, $50 first try? I'm gonna try the one kickflip just for Mogely, just so he can be happy and give me $50. Oh, bro! We were gonna eat tonight.
All right. What do I get? First try.
For the kickflip?
For the kickflip.
$50.
$50.
Yeah, you're not gonna do it.
First try.
Yeah, you're not gonna do it. You're not gonna do it.
I'm deaf.
I mean, no.
Everybody wants to get in on it.
This is not a good idea in my current conditions.
Alright, I got you. I'll Venmo you. I'll Venmo you.
Wait.
I didn't expect that.
First try!
Alright. I got it. I'll send you your 50. I'll send you your 50. I would just say I'm proud that it was only 50 and not 100.
Yeah, I thought you were gonna double your bet with him.
No, I had to be safe after the bet with.
What did you just say?
100 for the dolphin flip, 100.
Thank you. $50 is okay.
Okay, now ride down the bank. See if you got that.
Oh no, the kickflip guy got it.
What?
This was my creation. I want to see everyone ride it before I.
Okay, let everyone ride it before he rides.
Hey, can you pick up the board?
You might want to watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Right? Look at that.
Let the actual vert skater give it a try.
Are you a vert skater?
No, he's talking to you.
Oh, right, yeah. I didn't know vert skaters TikTok.
Look at that. First try! Who's hitting a drop in?
He flips hard. Go to the mini ramp. Ow!
Full send.
You gotta lean to the left.
You got it? Kind of makes sense now.
Does it? Oh! Dude, I thought I was goner. Woo! I was ready to catch it.
Hey, can you show him how it's done?
I'm debating.
Just go show him how it's done.
I think you gotta pick a side.
Oh yeah.
Choosing heel side. You just saved your life, Nigel.
You gotta stay in the halves. You gotta stay in the middle. Wait.
No way.
Nobody's landed the drop in.
No one has done it.
Luke!
Alright, this makes more
now
sense.
we're talking.
Now it makes more sense.
He went into a shoulder roll.
right, Luke, to the 6 foot.
Yeah, no, thank you. I didn't even drop in on you. Why are you trying to make me? Like, you realize how bad? Like, I just.
Sorry, Aaron will give you Aaron.
I'm not doing that.
Aaron will give you $20.
20 and 100 for a kickflip. I'm not doing. Gabe is peer pressuring me.
Yeah, you got that, dude.
Absolutely got
Right
that.
there.
Just a little bit of vert.
I don't know what I'm getting set up into.
Welcome back. Welcome back, Luke. Leave it in the comments if you want Luke to stay forever. Yeah, what are you gonna do? Is he seriously gonna try this?
Yeah, I think so.
Mowgli, he seriously thinks he's gonna loosen the trucks. Start out with the 3-stair.
What's your middle name?
Guess.
Cornelius.
Oh my gosh.
Close.
Dude, I know you're
Extremely close.
Why do I not know your name?
I can't believe how close he was. What do you think?
Something with a J.
Yeah, you can't tell your middle name on the internet.
I mean, I can.
What is it?
Jeremy.
You won't even know. Manuel Herrera Roberto Aguilera.
Yeah.
His name is Manuel Horacio Herrera.
That's the way you want. Oh, you want it like that?
Oh, actually, way better.
Way better.
Okay, kickflip. First try, $50.
Why are you gonna do it?
You could win it back.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Hey, just backside flip it, dude.
I done really
You
believe in you.
backside
You
flip
done
it,
let me
we give you
down.
1,000.
I'll do it for me now.
Backside flip for 1,000, he said. No, from Gabe.
You were scared. You were scared. You were scared.
Gabe.
You were scared.
Okay. Oh, 3-stair. I don't know.
No, what were you gonna say? The 3-block. What were you gonna say?
3-stair? 5-stair?
No. You were gonna say something as in a bet, but then you changed it to the 3-stair. No.
I'll give you a bet,
Someone
though.
replay that. You got it.
Oh, 3-stair.
I'll give you a bet.
What's the bet?
When we get to the
No. I want to hear it.
Okay, ollie the 3-stair, ollie the 5-stair, ollie the 3-block. I'll give you 10 tries total for all of them. So
All
for
right.
example, if you take 3 on the 3-block, you only got 7 left.
over here.
Jeez,
Yeah.
Aaron, come on.
In total, I have 8 for the 3-block.
Yeah, if you do first try, but
Yeah. Well,
ollieing
all
that
right.
first
what's
try
the
is
bet?
not easy.
What's the bet?
$100.
All right.
Why do you keep modifying this? You know that doesn't make a difference.
Okay.
Salud. Mogely, get the spray.
Before I go, every time with everyone, not everyone, Aaron always throws this out before the person's so confident. He's like, "You got this?"
I'm just trying to make conversation.
I love it, but "you got this" makes me feel
Would you rather him scream that you don't have it?
You're right, he don't got it. I mean, $100 on the line. Hey, are you sure you got this? Are you feeling good? I feel fantastic. Okay. Yeah. Wow. All right, he got it. He got
Guys
it.
left.
9 tries left, people. Oh God!
It turned on me.
Wow, tough call. Tough call. Is that a try?
Let's try.
Are we sure? Did he pop? Leave it in the comments below if you think that's a try.
Aaron's about to get robbed.
How many goes do I have left?
You have 7.
All right, 7.
Don't mess it up. I believe in you. Mowgli, I 100% believe that you got this, but I just am curious. Do you got this? I'm just asking.
I got this.
You do?
Yes.
Okay.
Six tries left.
6 tries left.
Ready?
No. No.
This ain't a contest, bro.
No.
You got 5 tries left. Leave
Aaron
it,
is the judge.
leave it in the comments below if you think that counts.
5 tries left.
I'll pitch it.
5 tries left.
Get up there. Get up there.
Just for everyone, you are the author of your own story.
Oh, geez. Here we go. Here we go. He's been on this all week.
sorry.
That was
Here you go.
amazing.
That's how it's done. Literally broke between the trucks.
Broke between the trucks.
You are the author of your own story.
Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you learn how to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need and more at BrailleSkateboarding.com. We'll see you there. It's your time, Braille Army.